Alright, so I finally figured out the settings I needed. There was a limitation on the acceleration. So if we go in here and click on this particular printer, click manage, you'll see the basic parameters. Machine type, move ability, maximum speed 500 millimeters a second, maximum Z speed. Acceleration was at 500 also. I changed it to 1500. I left Z at 100. I don't know what these are supposed to be set to. I can tell you one thing, this thing's shaking the table like crazy now. I don't know if it's printing any good, but I figured out what I needed to do to speed it up. It looks like it's actually screwed up over here, but I think I have it set to print at 250. I don't know what the temperatures are. It's too high. So, yeah, it's too high for PLA. So I can probably try and fix that, but it's really too late. The print's already failed, basically. Do about 210, 211. We just let it go for a little bit and see what it does. But yeah, that's definitely what limits them on creality. Now, there's an advanced tab too. Which I'm not sure what that would do. Printer start. So these are, I don't know if any of these have anything to do with anything. MS220, G28 home, G29, G90. Okay, but then you get into here. This is where I'm not sure what the hell I did. Speed. Yeah, I've got it at 250. And then acceleration was 2500. I was trying to fiddle with these numbers to figure out why I couldn't get my print speeds to change. So now I might actually be able to make this printer print a little bit faster now that I understand what's going on here. Let's see if this thing is actually printing worth a damn or not. We can go in here and reduce the speed by 50%. See if that helps. So it'd be 125. 125 would still be pretty fast for one of these. So I think what I'll do is I'll reslice it. I don't want it printing at 250. I want it printing at 200. I go 200. Okay. Trying to think if there's any other settings that I fiddled with that I shouldn't have. Enable jerk control. Not that I'm aware of. Let's see here. I needed to go in here and change temperature though. Wait. Let's go here. I also think maybe I had changed the layers. Let's see. Well, now we're down to 50, so it goes automatically back to 50. Okay. But I think now, well, I should be able to just go in here and go 150. I mean, if it actually prints at 150 with proper acceleration, here's the acceleration. I want 1500. 1500. 1500. 1500. And 1500. Okay. Enable jerk control. Save. Infill. 10%. I want 20. I don't like 10. Grid. Okay. Let's see. So we got material 200. All right. I think that should be good. Let's go slice this. See what it shows me. So this other one would have been like 50 minutes maybe? An hour and 13 minutes. So, and it's definitely not able to do it, even with it turned down. That's okay. I need to make sure that the print layer is set to something acceptable. Let's go here. Because I think I changed it. What I don't like about using this one versus using Cura is I got to go back in here and do this every time. Quality. Okay, layer height's 0.2. That's fine. Okay, cancel. And so it has to re-slice it all over again, which is annoying. Good. Hour and 13 minutes. We don't really care. I guess I'm just gonna go to bed and let it print. Let's see. I'm gonna make sure I saved it to the right place. Drive E. Which one is it? 3. Okay, because it's late, so it's that one. All right. Hopefully, it'll work better. Okay. Oh, and I got the bearing holders done. So you can see that my power supply basically almost lines up with the back here versus one of these other ones. So on this printer, there's a power supply, but I don't know where the fan hole is on these. They don't have a fan hole at the top. Look at all these parts on here. Let me go take a look. I think, no, it does draw it in from the bottom. So that's where I ended up running the wire across for my other Z. It's probably not the best place in the world to put it. So with this one here, I notice the height of them is absolutely perfect. But my other one, they're not. And these mount in here with the T-nuts, but the other ones don't. So basically there's this piece, you can print this piece, and you can mount your own power supply back here. Another thing I would like to get for the other printer is this cover right here. Just get a cover for it. I don't know if it's the same setup or not, because it looks quite a bit different. But anyway, that's really the only main difference between this printer. What's this thing doing? Looks like it's screwed up already. Yeah, it's too fast. Might not be the right temperature either. Yeah, we'll let it go for a minute.